Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. It's Lady T's Things That Bling. And today I'm going to do something completely different that I've never done before. So if you have been to my program before, thank you so much for tuning in. Now I'd like to invite you to consider becoming a member of Lady T's Things That Bling. So how about if you like, comment, and subscribe? I would really appreciate it. Today's tutorial is about how I do my nails. So if you want to see it, hang on in there. For some reason, my camera's videoing sideways. I don't know why. But you still should be able to get what's going on here in the camera, or in the video I should say. And these are the things that I got online to do my nails, and it's GH Dip. GH Dip. I am not being sponsored, but I am using their product to see if I can do my nails at home instead of going to the nail salon. Because of the pandemic, I have been a little bit afraid to go to the nail salon, although a couple of friends of mine have gone, and my sister as well, and everything seems to be okay with them. So I already pre-sorted my nails so that I can know which ones I needed. And I'm going to be doing both hands, but I'm only going to show you how I do one hand because I'm right-handed, and trying to do it with my left hand, it's not a pretty picture. So I'm going to show you how I do one hand, and then we'll go from there. As you can see, I'm pressing on the glue. Now, all of these items that I have, I got from Amazon. So you can check out Amazon and see the items that I have that I'm using. So here I'm putting on the last nail for my left hand, and it feels pretty good. And now I'm just using the nail file so I can get the rough edge off the top of the nail. So far so good. Those nails fit pretty good. So I'm using the purple, and I'm using number 1. That's the first step. You have to use that first step. And when you dip your fingernail into the powder, dip it in at an angle. Don't just go straight down. Dip it in at an angle. And you weren't able to see how I did that, but I did dip it in as an angle. And I'm using the brush to brush off the excess. I'm going back again. As you can see, on the left side of that thumb, there's still the powder didn't get on that. So I dipped it again. And the instructions tell you to dip it a total of 3 times. But I'm only dipping it twice because when I tried to do it before, the more coats you put on it, the lumpier it's going to be around your cuticles. So you want to be aware of that. Then I just put on the second coat. And I don't even know what that coat is for, but they tell you to put that coat on. And then you put on the third coat, which is the top coat. I think that second one is, you know how you go to the nail salon, and when they get finished doing, they put that stuff on your nail. I think that's it. But whatever the case is, I put it on there. And now I'm just going to do the rest of my nails, and you'll see the outcome. And you see here, you really do have to brush the excess off because it's a lot. But I like this particular product because it gives you a lot of powder. So you could do your nails for a long time using this powder. Again, I'm not being endorsed by them. I'm just saying that's what I'm using to try to do my nails at home to save me from going to the nail salon, because I'm not comfortable yet going to the nail salon. And also, I don't know, like at the nail salon, how sanitary it is for them to use dip powder on you, because you can't rinse the dip powder, but people come in and dip their fingers in it, and I don't know if their fingers are clean. I don't know. I'm not saying anybody's not clean, but that's a precaution, that you don't want to just dip your finger in there, and other people have been dipping their fingers in there. But that's a personal preference. Do what you want to do. But I'm just trying to do it at home. I'm going to see how long I can hold out at home doing my nails. And again, make sure you get the sides too, because if you don't, it will definitely let you know that you missed it. And I use nails that cover your whole nail instead of the tip, because I don't have any of the stuff that they use in the nail salon, the acrylic. I don't have any acrylic to be able to do tips. I'd rather do it this way anyway, because I don't feel like going through all of that, and it's a very strong odor with the acrylic, and I really don't feel like smelling all that. Surprisingly, none of this stuff has an odor, and it's very easy to use. So here I'm putting on that second step, and you have to put it on twice. Then you don't let it dry all the way. Then you put on step 3, which is your top coat. And that is really easy. I don't know how long they're going to last, or, if they're going to start popping off. I don't know, and I hate when my nails pop off, but we'll see what happens. This is the first time actually doing it like this. I tried it before with a different set of nails that I had, but I didn't like it. I didn't like the nails. You have to cut them down to size. I don't like that. I just rather have the nail size the length that I want, and I'm happy with that. And you see how shiny that is? You can't really see the glitter in it, but it's glitter in it as well. But you really can't see it. So now I'm just completing my right hand, and I still have some of that powder on it, but that's a lot of powder. And before I got it, I was reading the reviews. Some people said theirs came in with not a lot of powder, and for some reason they didn't get what was advertised, but I got everything that was advertised, and I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised. The fingernails that I'm using did not come from them, so that was a whole separate product there. And I'm trying to see if I can tell you where I got these from. I got them from Amazon, but it's called B as in boy, T as in Teresa, A. It's called BT Art Box. BT Art Box. And you get 10 bags of nails with, 10 different sizes. And they give you a whole lot of nails in the bag. And they also let you contact them if you have a problem with their items. But I don't have a problem with their items. And these ones that I have is called Coffin Nails. Coffin Nails. And I'll see if I can leave a link in the description box so that you all can have that information. And then I got another pack of nails as well. And these are longer. The other ones I have, I don't feel like all that longness right now. And I definitely don't feel like trying to cut them and shape them and all of that. So that's the dipping powder that I use. I also got the filing the nail files from Amazon. I think it came out pretty nice for somebody who really doesn't know what they're doing. I could see a little mess up on my right hand because I'm right-handed, and I got to go back and try to do those, but I just was showing you, how I do it. So, again, thanks for watching. God bless, and please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.